Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to UMIDIGI G5 Tab. Begin by opening Play Store on both devices and installing free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Following that, you need to tap on the same options in both apps to set them up. Begin by hitting I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then click on Confirm, Continue, Allow in first pop-up and allow all in the second one. In case of UMIDIGI, it's also allow. Now you can select whatever you want to in all the other ones. And when you finished, hit send at the bottom left corner of an Android. Then receive right next to send at the bottom of UMIDIGI. Also on an Android, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files you wish to send. I will go with only a couple just for example. In some of those categories, like contacts, you need to hit allow a few more times and then access your files. If you wish to transfer any app, after selecting Send next to Selected at the bottom to continue, you will see this pop-up. In order to continue, hit OK. Now tap on Got It in Here's Some Tip 1 and decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to connect by scanning this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide on UMIDIGI. Close and add. And allow camera access in the pop-up. Then point your tablet's camera at the code and wait. If you want to input this key, click on Input Key section below, enter the key. Type in all of those numbers in correct order before they expire. And last but not least, hit Receive button over here, then wait. Close our ads. And as you can see, after that, my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!